5 secret places that disappeared from Google Maps. Have you ever wondered why certain places just vanish from maps, as if they never existed? It sounds like something out of a movie, but the reality is even more disturbing. In a world where technology allows us to explore every corner of the planet, some places have been deliberately erased from Google Maps, leaving a trail of mystery and fear that few dare to follow. And what makes this even more intriguing is that these places didn't disappear by accident. No, there's something far more sinister at play. Imagine discovering that a mountain in the Himalayas is surrounded by rumors of UFO bases, or that an area in Siberia has been so altered that even Google can't show us what's there. How about an entire island that one day was on maps and the next simply ceased to exist? It seems impossible, right? But this is exactly the kind of mystery we're about to uncover today. These places, removed or censored, are shrouded in a fog of scientific terror, where the answers are as terrifying as the questions. Get ready for a journey through some of the most enigmatic locations on our planet, where what was erased may never have been meant to be discovered. Let's explore these 5 secret places that disappeared from Google Maps. And who knows, by the end, you might find yourself questioning what else could be hidden beneath the surface of our world. Kangtega Mountain. Deep within the Himalayas, hidden under layers of ice and silence, Kangtega Mountain holds secrets that challenge even the most skeptical minds. It's not just the isolation that makes this mountain a place of scientific terror. Old rumors suggest that Nazi expeditions during World War II discovered something far more sinister. Speculations about a UFO base and testing site there have become urban legends. But what if those legends are based on dark truths? Imagine the horrors that could be unearthed beneath this frozen mantle. Over the years, satellite photos of the area have been carefully censored, creating a digital fog that obscures the reality behind the mountain. The few who have tried to explore the area report a feeling of being watched, as if something or someone is guarding the secrets buried there. There's an aura of fear hanging in the air, as if the mountain itself is alive, holding a power that must not be revealed. The idea that extraterrestrial technology tests may have occurred there feeds the narrative of scientific terror, making us question how far science can go without crossing the boundaries of the unknown. And then the question arises, if such secrets were discovered so long ago, why have they remained hidden to this day? Perhaps the answer lies in a greater conspiracy, where powerful forces work tirelessly to ensure that the truth never comes to light. The censorship on Google Maps isn't just about security. It's a barrier that keeps the terror contained, a terror that, if unleashed, could forever change how we view the world around us. What else might be hidden in the shadows, waiting to be discovered? Chrome Dome Operation. During the Cold War, the skies were patrolled by flying shadows that carried the power of destruction within their hulls. Operation Chrome Dome, conducted by the United States Air Force, was one such secretive initiative where B-52 bombers armed with nuclear weapons remained constantly airborne. But what few know is that one of these missions ended in disaster when one of these behemoths crashed into the frozen landscape of Greenland. What remained of that accident was a nightmare of radioactive contamination and a mystery that persists to this day, obscured by careful satellite censorship. The crash site, dubbed Broken Arrow, is now just a pixelated smudge on Google Maps, a mark of fear left behind by uncontrolled technology. The official story speaks of a cleanup effort, but reports of missing nuclear material and growing contamination tell a much more terrifying tale. And what if that site was more than just a disaster field? Perhaps the true scientific terror lies in the desperate attempts to cover up the results of a catastrophic mistake, or maybe in something even darker that occurred at that remote point in Greenland. As the years passed, the silence around the site became deafening, and the speculations only grew. The clues, buried under snow and ice, point to the presence of something dangerous, something the world isn't ready to face. If a simple accident can cause so much chaos, what else could be hidden in places that Google Maps doesn't let us see? Operation Chrome Dome is a reminder that the combination of advanced technology and poorly kept secrets can create a terror that goes far beyond human comprehension. What other horrors are buried, waiting to be discovered? Siberian Masked Area. Deep in the frozen Chukotka region of Siberia lies an area where the terrain itself seems to be in constant flux, as if alive and shaped by unseen forces. Satellite images show a region masked, where the landscape appears to have been digitally altered or covered, raising suspicions and fueling conspiracy theories. Is this an attempt to hide secret CIA operations? Or perhaps it's a site where the Russians are conducting sinister experiments involving mysterious technologies like HARP? The scientific terror here isn't just a matter of geography. It's a matter of hidden power and manipulation. Rumors speak of underground facilities where dark secrets are buried along with the bodies of those who dare to uncover the truth. The fear emanating from this masked area isn't just psychological, it's tangible, a terror that seeps into the bones of those who approach. Authorities remain silent, leaving room for speculation about what's really happening beneath the frozen surface. Some believe that valuable gold deposits or other precious resources are hidden there, protected by something far more sinister than simple digital censorship. But what's even more disturbing is the idea that this masked area might be just the tip of the iceberg. If the secrets hidden in Chukotka are revealed, they could unleash consequences that the world isn't prepared to face. The scientific terror doesn't just reside in the unknown, but in the potential devastation that hidden knowledge could bring. What else might be hidden in the frozen expanses of Siberia? What other mysteries are waiting to be uncovered, and what kind of horror will they bring with them? Sandy Island. Sandy Island is the kind of mystery that defies logic and stirs fear in those who dare to explore the unknown. Marked on maps since the 1800s, this island in the Coral Sea was discovered and later removed entirely from navigation charts. Officially, it was undiscovered in 2012, as if it never existed. But how can something simply disappear so completely? The scientific terror here is one of a reality shaped by forces we don't fully understand. What kind of event could have caused this island to vanish from Google Maps and, apparently, from existence itself? Reports from old navigators suggest that Sandy Island wasn't just a normal landmass. Its surrounding waters were known for unusual compass deviations, winds blowing in opposite directions, and the inexplicable disappearances of ships and crews. And then, suddenly, it was gone, as if it had never been there. The removal of this island from Google Maps raises questions about what really happened there. Was Sandy Island a natural anomaly, or something much more sinister, perhaps a gateway to another dimension where the laws of physics and reality are distorted? What haunts theorists and researchers is the idea that if Sandy Island could be undiscovered, what else might be disappearing without leaving a trace? The terror that this phantom island evokes isn't just the fear of an unexplored place, but the dread that reality itself is malleable, subject to forces beyond our comprehension. And if there are other places like Sandy Island, being systematically erased from our perception, what happens when we begin to question what is real and what never was? Ungshan Ranch. Amid the barren and desolate Mojave Desert in California lies an area that exudes an unsettling sense of isolation. Known as Junction Ranch, this military installation is part of the Naval Air Weapons Station China Lake, a place where secrets are buried as deeply as the desert's rocks. Certain areas of the complex, including an enigmatic staging area, appear redacted on satellite images, as if someone wanted to ensure that the scientific terror present there never reached the public. But what exactly are they trying to hide? Rumors about advanced drone testing barely scratch the surface of the true fear that permeates the site. Eyewitnesses speak of sightings of technologies that defy known physics, of metallic noises cutting through the night air, and of lights that appear out of nowhere only to vanish in a blink. The censorship on Google Maps raises suspicions, but it's the total absence of answers from authorities that fuels the terror. What's being tested at Junction Ranch that the world isn't ready to see? And why are these experiments kept so secret that even satellite images can't reveal them? The desert holds its secrets well, and Junction Ranch might be the epicenter of something much larger than simple military testing. If these experiments are indeed pushing the limits of what's possible, what happens when those limits are broken? The scientific terror that emerges from this possibility is one of an uncertain future, where technology might escape the control of its creators, unleashing consequences that even the brightest minds can't predict. What else might be happening in hidden places like Junction Ranch, and what does it mean for our world? Now that you know about these mysterious places that were erased or censored from Google Maps, it begs the question, what else is the world hiding from us? If these secrets were so carefully concealed, what does that mean for our understanding of reality? Do you feel that chill down your spine, as if you've just uncovered something that should have stayed buried? Well, this is only the beginning. Dive deeper into these mysteries and let them challenge everything you thought you knew. Your curiosity might just lead you to uncover truths that are far more disturbing than fiction. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of this thrilling exploration. There are always more secrets waiting to be discovered, and together, we'll face the terrifying unknown.